How to log out of QANDA. First of all, open the app and navigate to the menu from the bottom bar of the app. Next, tap on Settings gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access account settings. Scroll down through the settings option until you see Logout at the bottom of the page. Tap on Logout and confirm your action when prompted to safely sign out of your account. Logging out ensures your account remains secure, especially if you are using a shared device. Once logged out, you can log in again later using your preferred sign-in method, such as Google or Facebook. Regularly logging out on public or shared devices helps protect your account and personal information. Now you know how to log out of QANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.